Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how to use Airtable as a project management tools. So in today's video, I will show you step by step. This video will be very quick, so hope you will watch to the end of the videos. Okay, in Airtable homepage, to make a new base as a project management tools, you can choose templates and apps. You can choose any templates that match what you need. This video, I will choose a project management. Now I will try this template. Now you can see the interface right now. In the getting started, you can see the app directory is my task, project and task, schedule, Kanban, roadmap, eyesight, and themes. To access this one, you choose the work section over here. You can see the first one is my task. In my task, you can see we have 3 to-do tasks, 0 in progress, and 1 done. The to-do task is research financial tracking features, mine for accessibilities, or collaborate with nuances. In this view, we also have the timeline grouped by project. We have 3 kind of projects. We can see the calendar right here too. Now I will show you the next kind of view is the project and task. You can see this view group everything by project, like Quantum Leap, like March Green Time, Infinity Finance, Sky Logo. We have a lot of kind of projects here. Now I will explore this project. We will have many tasks for this project right here. The task has the task name, status, assignments. You can assign this task for anyone in your team. So as example, I try to assign this task to Mia Kim. We also have the start date and the deadline. It's similar to other kind of project. Oh, I forgot we have also the status. You can choose from done, to do, or in progress. Okay, I will move to the next view is the schedule. You can see we have a schedule day by day. If you scroll down, you'll see this one is grouped by projects, the code drafters, green terms, and every other projects are located here. You can see the arrow right here. When you finish this task, the end date of this task is the start date of this task. So when you modify the end date of this task, like I do right now, I will modify it by just drag to Thursday. You can see the start date of this task and this task also will modify together. So if I remove this connection, I remove it. Now I can modify the end date of this task to any day. It's not affect to each other's. You can modify the start date as well. Like I modify the start date to Friday right here. If you want to have a connection again, you can modify the deadline of this task. And you can see we have a dot icon right here. We can scroll it to connect to this task. And now everything will link together again. You can modify the deadline and the start date. You can see right there. You can modify to this one. The start date, deadline feature for coding are modified too. This function is very powerful for me because if I want to modify the deadline or the start date, I don't need to modify all the tasks one by one. It will automatically modify for me based on the connection. Okay, now we can move to the Kanban view. The Kanban view, you can see the Kanban view is very similar to the app called Shallow. It's very easy for you to understand. It's have to do, it's have in progress, it's have done. You can add more status right here if you want. I can add the revision right here and I'll change the color to orange right here. So if these tasks are done, define feature for coding, I will move this one to revision. Just drag and drop. Okay, similar to this one, in the to-do task, develop a community are in progress, so you can drag and drop this one to in progress. It's very easy to use. You want to see more information, you click to the task and you see every kind of information in this task. You can see here, this one is status in progress, this one is start date, end date, or duration days. You can add some description as well. You can add some person as well, like I can choose Arya Patel. I can also leave some comment right here to collaborate with other people. There's some description. Okay, and the team member can give me some reaction or give me a reply. It's very easy to collaborate with each other. Okay, now in the last view, you can see the roadmap. This one is likely similar to the schedule view right here, but it's different because the roadmap is a view that you filter out the timeline of each project. Like this one of 100% is finished in January. This one just 18%. This one just 10%. The green time is 0%. If I go to project and task and I change something in green time, I will try. Let me try right here. This one is green time. This one all 0%. So if I modify this one to done or revision in progress, so we can check again the roadmap. The green time have one task finished, so it's showing us 10%. And You can see here it's 44 days for this project. Okay, that's all the view for you and your team member can use. Now I will show you the management view. You can see this view is very similar to a big dashboard. You can see the percent complete, or you can see the percent overdue. You can see the status breakdown to the pie chart. Which one are to do, which one in progress, which one are done. You can see the number of tasks per team members. And this view is very cool also for management. Over here, you can see the performance for each member. You can see right here 50% from Wednesday to Friday. The drop down icon, you can see their tasks also, like create videos or design a friendly garden. We will go into next view is a team view. This view will show you very detailed about the team members. You can see everybody here. You can see this member name, bio, the type working like full-time or contractors, and the role as well. This person is research, this person is design, this person is product, this person is engineering. We filter out full-time people right here. You can filter out the contractor people right here. Okay, that's all my video. You can use Airtable as a very powerful project management tool. If this video helpful for you, please give me a like, a subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.